Okay, now let's do the next one, 2024 paper 2 for the N-level paper. So this one, let's come to this. So work out this press calculator. So this one is press calculator. You press this in the calculator. You should get 3.4958. You round off to 3 SF. 3.50 3 SF. You should get this answer. Okay, for this, the next one is also calculator. Also let's press calculator. 5 and 3 over 7 minus 1 and 2/3. 3 and 16 over 21. That's it. So for this, express this as a percentage of 2 meter. This is cm, this meter. I must change this to be 200 cm times 100. Meter to cm times 100. Then I can change both are in the same unit. Change percentage times this 37 degrees. 37 percent. 37%. Okay, for this. The next one, press this as an ordinary number, just press calculator. Zero point zero 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 532. Standard form. So million is 10 power 6 is 61.3 times 10 power 6. But the standard form is less than 10. It should be 6.13. The 10 times over to be 7. Okay, for this part. Okay, for this. The next one. So convert this to fraction decimal percent. Convert this to decimal is 0.85. You just press this one to here, you just press the calculator SD. The SD in the calculator lah. This to this just times 100. Just times 100 will do 85%. So from percentage to decimal is divided by 100, 0.08. Then from this will be SD again. Calculator 2 over 25. 2 over 25. Okay, for this. The next one. We throw unfair dice, so probability of getting a 4 is 4 over 6. So the dice is like this. So it's 1 and 6 on top and bottom, 3 and 4 opposite side, 2 and 5. It's always added to be 7. So of getting a 4, there's only one 4 here. There's one 4 out of total 6 option, right? It's not, it should be 1 over 6, no. It should be 1 over 6 out of the original dice. Okay, for this. Next one, this is a fair spinner. Find the point that it lands on blue. There's two blue out of 5 option. 2 out of 5. 2 blue out of 5 option. Green, there's no green here. 0. 0 is the answer. Okay, for this. The next one, write down their age. Ratio of child's age is 16. Phone is 8. 1 is 4. Divide by 2. 8, 4, 2. Divide by 2 again. 4, 2, 1. That's the answer. Then they share 98 in the ratio of their age. So which means so total here is 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 7 units. 7 units is $98. 1 unit is $14. Child has 4 units. 4 units $56. Phone has 2, 28. 101, 14. Okay, for this, that's how you get the answer. You subtract the units to the total. Then from there you work out 1, 4, then 2. Okay, the last one. not the last one, the next one, the last 10 games. So for this one, ideally you arrange from the smallest to the biggest. So 14 is the smallest, these two is the smallest. The next one is 15. After 15, the next one is 17. After that is 25, 26, 27, 28, 25, 26, 27, 28. Then is 31 and 35. The mode is 35 minus 40. So the not the mode, the range. The range is 35. The long, uh, the longest. The range is 35 minus 40, 21. This is the range. The mode with the highest frequency is the most popular, 14, because 14 appeared twice. You see this part. The median, the mean is in the center of 10 numbers, 4, 5. Here, mean is the center of 25 to 26. 25 plus 26 divided by 2, 25.5. This is the mean. This is the mean. Okay, for this. The next one, explain why the mode is not the best measure of average to represent this course. Why the mode isn't the best measure of average? Because it doesn't it is the most popular. Uh, the mode is the most popular. It's the most popular, but it's not the. But it's not the. It's not the value. It might not be the value at the center. Uh, at the center. It might be the value at the center. This one, if you want, you can go and check GPT. You can ask ChatGPT, then you see what value, what answer they give you. The answer might be better, at least better phrase, better written. The next one. So a plane flies from Singapore to Dubai. It takes 7 times. Then the Dubai time. Find the time Dubai when it arrive. So 2210 SG, 7 hour and 30 minutes is uh 29 hour and 40, which is minus 24 lah. Hour is 5 hour and 40 a.m. But the Dubai is 4 hours minus 4 hours. One one 0140 Dubai time. 0140. See this part. 0140. Find the average speed km per hour. So it's 5840 km. Duration is 4 hours. So it will be 5840 divided by 4. 1460. 1460. Click on this. So expand and simplify. This one multiply in 12x. This one multiply in plus 8. This one multiply in 5x. This one multiply in plus 15. Simplify 7x plus 23. This is the answer. Okay, for this part, this is called expand and simplify. Factorize. This is when you can use a calculator, mode 33. Just to play cheat. You should get x uh, plus 6 and x minus 1. You can use calculator to play cheat, but then the working you must show this also. X squared minus 6, x plus 6, x minus 1, minus 1x plus 6x. So show out this one and this one. We give you the 2 marks in total. Okay, for this, the next one. So find the fraction who go to walk to school. So let's say we work out this angle here will be 360 minus 150 minus 60 minus 45. 105 degree. So the fraction, right? they give should be 105 over 360. 105 minus 360. Uh, 7 over 24. This will be the answer. Okay, for this, we use the angle for to find the fraction. Then there are 1, 2, so find the number of the cycle to school. So it's 7 out of 24 times the number of students. 350 in this way, in this manner. Okay for this. Okay for this part. So this is the graph. So this one you can find out the y. The x is minus 5. This y will be minus 5 square plus 3 minus 5 minus 5. So you'll be, it will be 5. This will be 5. Then you plot minus 5, 5 and 2, 5 minus 4, 1 minus 3 minus 5 minus 2 minus 7 minus 1 minus 7 minus 2 minus 7 minus 1 minus 7 0 minus 5 1 minus 1. The graph will be and 2. So the graph is something like this. So I explain 5, 10, 5, 4, 6, 10. Oh, minus 4, this one I draw wrongly. One of the graph is a bit weird. Minus 4 minus 1 is here. Then minus 3 minus 5. So the graph will be like this. Just go use a curve ruler or French curve, something like this. Go through all correctly. I miss out one part lah. This one I miss out. Yeah, but it should be a smooth curve. Then from here you answer the question, the coordinates of the minimum point, which is here lah, here. So based on my graph should be minus 0.5, minus 0.5, 7.4, negative 7.4. Okay, okay for this one. Next one. Uh, okay. Last we purchased a car at the cost price of 2100. He paid deposit of 20% of the cost price. Calculate this one first. So he paid this. He paid the cost 20% of this 4200. So he left right. He left 2100 minus 4200. He left $16,800. This one he haven't paid yet. He left this amount to pay. Then he pay the rest in equal monthly payment over 5 years. So calculate the monthly payment. So 16800 divide by 5 years first. Each year he paid 3,360. Then divide by monthly. Divide by 1 month. 1280. Every month he paid $280 for this. Okay, for this part. Then the value decreased by 12% of the value at the start of the year. Find the value after average purchase rate for 3 years. So it decreased by 12%, right? So this one at the start, this one is compound interest. This is compound interest, meaning that if the cost price is this amount, every year decrease by 12 for 3 years. So by the end of 3 years, right? Yeah. Hmm. decrease by 12%. Let me open this again. Yes. Yes, so because this is decrease, actually instead of plus, right, then it should be minus. So I change to minus because it's decrease. It's decrease, I change to minus. At the end of the 3 years, the value become this. At the end of 3 years, right, the value become this. Okay, for this one, minus because it is a decrease. Usually the formula is plus, but for this case it's minus because it's decrease. Okay, for this, okay. Then the car use wanted to travel this amount is find the cost uh, per liter. So how many liters do this need? This is 480 km divided by 14.9. 480 divided by 14, 480 divided by 14.9. They need 32.214 liters. So each liter is 270, so it becomes 1 times 270, 86.979 dollars, $86.98. Okay, for this 2 dp, money is 2 dp. Okay, for this part, this is the cumulative frequency table. The last question, look at this one here. You want the median. Okay, first one, the first thing you want is the median. Median is at the center of 0 to 160, which is 80. The median is here. Here to here. This is the median, which is 17%. 18. 18. 18. The median is 18 kg. Okay, for this. The interquartile range is like this. What is the 75% of 160? Is 75 over 160. 75 over 100 times 160, which is 120. At 120, the value is 20, 21.5. This is 21.5. Uh, the other one you need 25% also. This is the lower quartile, which is 25 over 100 times 160. 25. Uh, 25 is about 10. So the value actually is 10. So the interquartile range is 21.5 minus 10. That's how you get the interquartile range, 11.5. The interquartile range is 11.5. 11, not 120, not 120 minus 25. Some of them will take this. They take this minus this, right? This one is wrong. This one is wrong. Okay, for this. Find the probability that one of these parcel has a mass of less than 10 kg. Less of 10 kg is here. Alright, erase again. Erase this. Less of 10 kg is at here. 20, 4, 6, 26. So it's 26 less than 10 kg, right? Less than is here. Less than is here. Is here. 26. 26 out of 160. 13 out of 80. That's the probability. We charge a higher rate for person that is over 22 kg. 100% is higher rate. 22 kg is here. Erases 22 kg. 22 kg is here. So how many of them over 22 kg, which is they actually meant this part more than 22, which come back to here. This value here is 46126. So 1601 minus 126, which is for 34. So the percentage, right, is this 34 out of 160 plus 100%. 21.25%. This the estimate of them charging rate is 21.25%. That's for this. Okay, for this part. And that's it. That's the end of this paper. So give it a try. If anything, you can ask me in class. Okay for this. Thank you.